tickets to my flight. What's up, guys? Today, I'm going on another airplane. We went for that cruise, and that cruise was terrible. Man, we had to do it. Ghost part, man, that captain was so crazy. But from that Nicholas corrupted that captain, and he turned good now. We saved him. So yeah, I'm going to my next flight. I'm going to flight and go home back to my apartment. Kind of like to go home. Wake early. Sick. Get down on the bed. See? Bed. I want to look. Why can't they put me in the window? I want to see look for the window. I want to look for the window. But whatever. Hello everyone, welcome back. Wait a minute, what are you the same person from the last plane or something? With that black monster from the first episode? I mean, not the first episode, I mean like that first part of that plane. My name is Callie. I will be a pilot in this flight. Was you accepting this a waiter who gave us food? As you can probably tell, it is not a regular plane. It's not. Is it a fancy plane? What do you mean? Lady and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 991 president. You heard right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. You saved an airplane last time. Oh, you talking about me? Oh, we said that. Oh, you talking about the first part when I said, oh, you heard about that. We still don't understand the captain lost the control that time. Anyway, you saved the reason why we are here. Yeah, we saved that plane. That guy was a traitor with yellow hair. Alright, enough chatting. Yep, enough chatting. Huh, yeah. Yeah, we saved that entire plane. Got the plane back, even though we went to that underworld, but the good thing the supernova saved us before the plane crashed. Please find your seat. It has a golden label with your name on it. As we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Alright. Oh. And that's a lot, yep. See right about turbulence. It's a lot of turbulence. Alright. Whoa. At least someone recognized my work. So yeah, I saved the airplane last time. Did we just do a barrel? I think we should do. Thank you for cooperating. You're welcome. Thank you for giving us the attention. Because shit, wow, the president want to meet us. I have been informed a president agent waiting for you in the next room. Please find him there first. Alright. Should we have to meet the president? Like, bro, the president? That'd be cool because, man, we getting attention from the president. I'm getting attention from the president. Because from the last episode, if you haven't watched that first plane episode, then go watch that now, please. And remember, no one knows what. What did he say, bro? What? Did anyone else see that? Yeah, I see that. I saw that. Hey, Yopa. Welcome to the president airplane. Thank you. Thank you for your welcome. And congratulations for what have you done. Have you done? Yes. Your country is grateful. Yep. Follow me to the next room. I will give you. Yep. Finally, some respect from the first episode. Man. Let's go. Man. I'm sorry. Ooh. President getting ready. He will meet you during the room in a couple minutes. Alright? But there is something you must know before that. The president is very special. You know that. He gets mad very easily. Oh. Please do everything we say in all the kind of trouble in an airplane. That's all. President should be almost right. Yeah, I think the president is kind of selfish or something. I don't know. Oh, I don't like Haley the Temple. Temple. There's anger issues. Glass of water while we wait. Oh, so sorry. Girls. Look at this mess. Girls, are you serious? President is going to be mad. Oh no. Can we clean this up? Find something to clean this mess. Or else we will have oh no. Trust. Mops. Clean the mess up. Yes. Clean this cup up. President is ready now. Ooh, we almost started. Ooh, I cannot wait to meet the president. I can tell him all the adventures I had as Rebotman. He could be confused why my name is Rebotman. I will tell him later. Or I could tell him now, after I tell him all my stories. How I saved the world from a zombie war. Yeah, that Fortnite video. What's that? Yep, made a lot of videos about my adventures. Y'all catch up of the storyline. And I'm alone over here. I don't want to be alone. President! Ronald? That's Ronald? Wait, what? Wait, that's Donald Trump or Ronald? His name's Ronald? I'm sorry. It's habit. It's a habit. What happened with? Anyways, welcome to my airplane. Thank you, sir. Ronald. My name is Ronald. Nice to meet you, Ronald. I am the president of Robloxia State. Dang. I thought I made up Robloxia. I thought Robloxia was made up by me. But shit, I just read. You must know, you are heroes for this nation. Yeah, you know. We have a delicious meal prepared for this special moment. Shoot, I give you respect. This is what I wanted. But shoot, even more thing I want? If y'all just subscribe, please subscribe. The food is not ready yet, so I believe the chef is messed up. What? Throw that chef off this plane. Sheesh, anger issues much. We will take care of him, Mr. President. Okay, gee, you don't have to throw him off the plane. It's probably an accident. You look like a great chef. But, Mr. President, I have never cooked before. I don't know where we've had to cook. You have to cook? Well, you better learn quick, or else I'm throwing you off the plane too. Nah, she about to get feed off the plane. Nah, she have to cook. She must cook. I don't mean like mental. I mean she's gonna have to cook for this crap. I will tell you the ingredient, and you have to find them, and drop them into the soup pot. Nah, she's cooked. She better not cook, because if she can't cook, then she might as well die. She's gonna get eaten off the plane. That's crazy. Are you ready? Time to cook. Nah, she freaking out. She freaking out right now. She freaking out. She have to cook. She probably don't even know how to cook. Use apples. Put the apples in the soup. There we go. This is easy. It will be easy depending on how much time you have. The soup needs potatoes. You gotta find those potatoes. You gotta find those potatoes, man. You gotta grab those potatoes. You better cook. Oh, she about to die. I think she about to die. Need some eggs. No, she about to die. That's crazy. You better find them eggs. If she don't find them eggs, she's cooking dead. That's crazy. Nah, she not even looking for the eggs. She found the eggs. That's crazy. Low key. Need potatoes again. Low key, she not a cook. She's gonna need a little bit more time though. Pick some up. That's crazy. She's cooking well. No, it looked delicious. Everyone, take a seat. I'm taking a seat. But I really don't trust this soup. I really don't like this soup. I really do not like this soup at all. That girl better sit down, Momo. Momo, you better sit down, Momo. And Momo got killed. You cannot revive Momo, because Momo did not enjoy. Well, there's 4 of us left. But she just died. How can I explain that? I really cannot explain how she died. I'm so sorry she got to go playing. We hope you enjoyed the soup. Kinda. I kinda did. We should be meeting you again at the president's seat. Please follow the path, the computer room. You go to the computer room? Okay, let's go to the computer room. Computer room. I'll be at the computer room for. You get tight. Welcome to the computer room. Thank you. We use these rooms to protect any attack into our system. The president is waiting in the president's. In order to protect the president, we create a code. Looks lower. Now, you must try to figure out the code. Good luck, hackers. What? What the flip? Okay, we got red, blue, wait. Blue. It looks like they all need to be blue. Yep. Yep, they all need to be blue. Wow. We really need to work in that code. Hey, the president's here. Meet with the president in the next room. What's up, president? What up, president? What up, Ronald McDonald? I really call him Ronald McDonald's crazy. Ooh, bathroom. Open the door. Hello again. Sorry I had to leave so too early. No sweat. No sweat. I had to get everything ready. Yeah. Anyways, as our special guest, I will let you see. I do not trust the president no more. He's saying guest like he's just talking like he's a diss on me, not even trying to. I think he's trying to kill us. Find the keys. Can you look for them? Somewhere around this room. Found the keys. Found the keys. Found the keys for you, Mr. President. I know. I found the keys. I know. Remember, I'm the legend who saved that plane. Or, well, yeah, I saved that plane. Backstory. I wish I could do a flashback, but I don't know how to do those. So, yeah, call it busy. Great. Let's open the door. Woo! Okay. There's the bed. Never mind, I don't want the bed no more. The girl's on it. I do not want to, yeah. Well, I might as well. I mean, I just might as well. I might as well. You might have to take the nails off, but the nails, yeah. I might as well. Yeah. I'm gonna add everyone. I'm gonna add everyone here. I'm gonna add the people who's here. Add everyone here. Yeah. Yeah, you. Hey, take it. Want to do it too, man? Let's do a 2-man. It's nighttime already. Wanna make a 2-man, man? We could do a 2-man. Let's do the 2-man, man. 2-man. I can't sleep. There is something about this flight that scares me. I'm not scared of nothing. Why do they keep saying I'm scared? Guys, the there's 102. Whoa! You again? Oh no! It's the monster! Yeah, it's you again. You tried to kill me last time. Did I beat you up with my powers last time? Man, I'll beat you up again, man. Did you forget about me so early? No, I really didn't. We was just talking about Johnson. Oh, heck no. Heck no. We need to get out of here. Heck no. I don't know how to use my powers. My powers not even working. Crap. Powers. Up is less stuff. Oh shit, my power's not working. Oh no, the other Momo's died. Oh, Momo's dead. Oh, Momo's dead. Dang, Momo's dead. No, Momo, no. If I had Robux, I would have revived you, Momo. No. Alright, we need to run. No, Momo. Bacon, no, Bacon, we need you. Bacon, no. Oh no, her friends died. Now I'm stuck with her. What? How? Man, me sipping just can't work. Great, now I'm just stuck here alone. Are we safe now? Shh, everyone, I'm safe. So I'm the only one alive. I'm the only one who know how to play these type of games. The floor is like, bro. Why the floor? Why the floor? Why the floor? Why the floor? Well, the enemy of my story of history. Now I'm history. Tell my story. And fire's gone. What the fire shot? Oh thank goodness. What is happening? Well, it's obviously the monster's back for me. He came back to kill me. He already killed all my new friends. It literally killed everyone. Everything. It's literally just killed everyone in an instant. And I'm answering the phone. And look, I'm healing real slow. Hello? Hey guys, I'm glad you picked up. My health healing is so slow. What's happening? Something terrible is happening on this plane. Don't say. Yeah, you don't say. Yeah, talk to him. Talk. I can't tell you much through the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot's cabin. The problem is the door is locked. Just give me while I try to unlock it. Am I healing slowly? If I'm not healing, it don't look like I'm healing. But be careful. The monster might still be around. Oh, you don't say. You don't say. Literally don't say, like, bro, I'm by myself. Literally, if I die, I have to restart this game because shoot, I need to upload this video. I'm not dying with no cliffhanger. And I have to restart the video. I'm gonna not restart the video. I'm gonna have to restart it. You will not escape this time. Motherfucker, what do you mean? Oh no. Don't let him catch you. What? Don't let him catch me. What do you mean don't let him catch me? Oh no. Nope. Nope. Can't touch this. Nope. Nope. When I say you can't touch this, that means you can't touch this. If you touch this, you can't touch this. You're a loser. For real, you're a loser. Bro, listen, I beat you up last time. You think I can outrun from you? I'm We'll be right back. Yeah, this could be the best. This could be a flashback. This we're gonna see the future and know everything. We're gonna say that we seen the future and yeah, blah 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 blah. We're gonna like we seen the future or something. And I'm gonna wait for people to come here and I'm gonna go over there and 16 players. And 6 players on. That's a strategy. I race it. I'm rubbing it there. People to come here. I need more people to come here because I don't want to do this by myself. Alright, so we're in a situation. Yeah, I saw the flipping future. Yeah, I saw the flipping future, so I don't need to read the subtitles. I don't need to read those. But yeah, I saw the future about all of us just died. But good thing is, well, I stopped the original passengers to come here, but everyone else coming. But the president didn't want to see me only because, well, he don't know these people. Facts. But what I'm trying to say is, well, yeah, the monsters came back, so I need to find a way to get everyone alive. So, I'm gonna just, chat. You know what I'm gonna do? I played these games before. Son. I played these games before, son. I played these games before, son. I played these games before. No. I played these games before. I played these games before. I love doing it. I played these games before. Wait, why you have my hair? Why you knock off? Knock off? Ain't you a knock off? No. I didn't say no. Stop Squid Game references. Stop Squid Game references. No more Squid Game references. We're not horses, we are human. 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 I hope I don't make them leave the game. Man, I love text chat. I love voice chat. I mean text chat. I've never seen this hilarious, bro. Chat never been this hilarious. Chat. I'm just talking about chat. I'm trying to make this funny. This for the comedy because it's kind of boring. I have to restart everything we already know before, so we just chat. We are chat. Yeah, I'm a best cleaner. Yeah, I'm a cleaner. Yeah, I know. I love chat. I drink water so well. Sig. Sigma. Did I spell Sigma wrong? Sigma. I'm Sigma. I'm gonna say I am Sigma. I'm gonna say I am Sigma. I'm Sigma. Shut up, the idiot man. Ah, I am Sigma. Shut up. Shut up. Damn. Shut up. Shut up. I will stop. Sorry, I will stop. I will stop. I will stop. Sorry, I will stop. Who cooking? Who supposed to cook? Who was supposed to cook? Oh no! Why am I cooking? Is it because I keep on talking? Dang, this is his karma. That's his karma. Do not use my government name. Stop using that government name. Hey, people good keep on using my government name. I hate when y'all use my stupid government name. Name. We won't burn the kitchen. Yeah, I'm ready to cook. I know how to cook. I cook every day. I cook. I cook. Soup needs some tomatoes. Tomatoes. Where's tomatoes? Where's tomatoes? Where's tomatoes? I don't even know where tomatoes at. I hate cooking. Oh no, it was a convincingly another flashback. Somehow I got 3 flashbacks in a row, back to back, bar for bar. Yeah, I just got 3 flashbacks somehow. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely not just pretending to keep the series going. So yeah. Yeah. I'm just yeah. Border. I can't even beatbox. I trash at beatboxing. I'm for real trash at beatboxing. But I can beatbox something. I can rap it. They can never give me a seat next to the window. I really want to see next to the window. Like, I guess they don't allow that shit. Also, I want to text chat. I love text chat. Honestly, this is how I'll go get with my time. This is how I go get with the time. I played these games before. 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 I've had so much fun doing this. I love text chat. I hope they text back and see what they say. I love seeing, yeah, I got to text chat. I want to keep going. 2. Two. Played. We all played these games before. 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 What is it all about? I don't know. You mean this game? Tell me what is it? I was busy talking. Okay, I would tell him what it was about. I spelled first wrong, but I'm just doing it because I know they're going to understand. I love this chat. Oh, they still in the back. They're still alive. No, they're still alive. Oh, I'll be in the back already trying to get the mop. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm supposed to spill it. I'm supposed to spill it. Oops. Oh no. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I spilled it. Nobody knows what to do. Yeah, 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 yeah. Press the button. 1:25 o'clock in the morning. I love the mornings. The mornings is a good name. Even I get some coffee in the morning. I'm able to get the coffee in the morning. Once I get the coffee in the morning, I love the morning because the coffee is in the morning. I'm talking about coffee in the morning. I'm gonna talk about life in the morning. I don't know what I'm saying. Webs. I will cook food this summer. I don't want to cook no more because, bro, I died because I had to look for the stupid tomatoes. I don't know where the stupid tomatoes at. Alright, once we're going to room, I would have to tell them run to the door. Run to the door. I have to tell them run to the door if they survive the cooking challenge. Because they would die for the log fire thing. Because I played the game before. I know the situation. I seen the future. So I'm gonna save these people from the situation we're about to be in. Ronald McDonald, you built like a brick. Brick this butt. That's gonna be too loud. Habit. Everything is all a habit. I love habits. Habits. Like a rabbit. Like a rabbit, habit. Like a rabbit. Where was even the tomatoes? Like, bro, I could not find the tomatoes anywhere. Where was it? Is that the tomatoes? Or is that the tomato? That is the apple. That's the apples. Where is the tomatoes? Like, how can I know which one is a tomato? That's dumb. Wow. Man, the plane is long. Real long. You do not have to throw the chef off the plane. At least give him a parachute instead of trying to kill the man. Like, bro, instead of trying to kill a man, at least trying to give him a parachute, man. Nah. Who's that? Nah, he's cooked. You better know how to cook. If you can't cook, stay out the kitchen, man. Man, you better know how to cook, because we need you alive, man. I'm trying to keep y'all alive. If you don't stay alive, man, I'm a bad hero. Lost him cook. I'm gonna watch this man cook. If you can't cook, stay out the kitchen, man. Don't cook. Don't try to do no backflips or nothing. Don't try to cook in front of anyone. 9-6. I will tell you 2 ingredients you find from the Japan. The Pikachu. I'm gonna say to me. I'm super. Let him cook. 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 So he's not even in there. He's not even in there. He's gonna die. He's gonna freaking die. He's not even in there. He's gonna die. Why he's not in there? He's gonna die. Oh, wrong. Oh, I thought that was him. Where was he? Where even was he? It looked like delicious. It looked delicious. Yeah, what's it now? the door, man. Be at the door. We have to be at the door. Oh, computer room. This way. This way. This way. This way. This way. We're going the wrong way. I'm following. Yo, that's crazy. Over here. Y'all a bunch of noobs. Y'all noobs. Man, that's why I want to be VIP. You cannot be. Are we already VIPs in this point since we just been guest? You already guessed, man. You're a guest. 131. White. Yeah, they are white. Some. Ain't it? I don't know, hack will. Ain't y'all better hacker than me, man. Ronald McDonald, bro. You again. Yeah. A monster will strike any point of time. At night, once we go in that room, we will die. Or live, since I seen Peter. You know there's a possibility. Only I made it to the lava part. And then the monster chased me down and tried to kill me while you on top of him. I haven't recorded, bro. You about cooked. You're gonna get canceled and banned. Why are you on me? Hey yo, that glitchy. Hey yo, like why are you looking on me? I who know, and never mind. Oh shoot, we put to find the keys. I found the keys. I forgot we put to find the keys. I need to tell him about the monster. The monster will be here. The monster will be here. At the door to run. Be 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 at the door to run. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't only 4 of us left. Dang, bro. Both of us just died. I'm saving everyone. I'm saving lives. I'm gonna save lives here. But then you better get away from that bed. You better get away from that bed or the monster will kill you all. Man, that monster will kill you all. Man, I'm here to play these games before. I told you I played these games before. Huh? And the monster's right there. Yeah, monster. You wanna go down? You wanna go down for real? You wanna go down for real, man? Bring it on, nerd. I told you I'd be at the door. Why are you sitting here? Be at the door, man. Be at the door. Why are you looking? Be at the door. You don't wanna listen? Be at the door, man. Be at the door. A fire coming. I told y'all. told y'all. See? That's why you should listen to me. That's why you should listen. If you don't listen, then die. Like, bro, I don't know why you're not trying to listen to me. Like, bro. Because I see the future. Most of the time. Because, man. This is... I'm him. I'm literally him. I'm him. I'm him. I'm him. I'm literally ahead of all of you. I'm him. Come up here. 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 Thank you. Thank you. Bro, I'm saving lives. I'm saving lives. I'm saving lives. I'm saving lives. Look on the floor. See? See, look at that. Bro, do not go down there. You something, bro. Don't come up here, bro. Already? He's already. Bro, listen, he said, listen, we good. We good. Now, when you say, now I want one help. I want one help. Come up here already. Now. The chat is this funny. I love the chat. I love the chat. I know it's not funny for y'all, but it's kind of funny for me. 137. Oh. Come on. I played this game before. I told you I played this game before. I told you I played this game before. I played this game before, I told you. And now I'm down here. I don't even hear sound. Oh, whooping Gumma style. Ooh, whooping Gumma style. Ooh, you flying? Oh, you cheating. Ooh. Hey, monster, come here. Monster, come here. Monster, come here. Run, monster, come here. Monster, come here. Why are you chasing him? Come here to me, monster. Yeah, come to me, monster. Why are we all in this room? Yeah. Chase me down, monster. Yeah, chase me down. Chase me down. Chase me down. This is for humanity. Oh, you tricked me. Ooh, with you. Ooh. I played this game before. Ooh, I told you I played this game before. Don't stop playing with me, kid. Stop playing with me. Yeah, stop playing with me. I don't check the others, okay. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are y'all okay? Are you okay? 50 minutes? Bro, I spent 50 minutes playing this game. This should not be that long. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are y'all okay? I think y'all okay. She's in the corner. It follows. It didn't follow you here. I don't trust the fact it did not follow us here. It probably followed. It made come here. Again. Bruh. I knew there was something wrong here. Shoot, Carnal, shoot, I did have PTSD from coming in this plane. I did. Good news is I'm not just a pilot. How are you? Also a secret agent, and I know a lot about this monster. You do? They say I drive. I was on these already. I don't know what they're talking about. And there was something about planes he was always so obsessed about, with planes in a scary way. He liked to read news about plane crashes. Well, sure, he loved plane crashes. Well, we're gonna give him a crash by throwing him off this plane and run him over the plane. We jump off with a parachute and hit him with this plane. We show him a plane crash. So he tried to make a plane crash himself. Luckily, he died after a heart attack. His spirit still... Bro, then what did we do to him? We talking about what we did to him? We did nothing to him. Blame you for his death. Oh, he blamed us for his death. Wow. So he blamed us for his death for being an idiot. Now that you know the story about the monster, you must know. He can't take any shape. He could be any agent or even president, but I'm not sure yet. So he blamed us because he had a heart attack. That's certain. That's very certain of us. Like, that's a certain he blames for a heart attack. By the window, by the window, by the window. Well, you only have one choice. Discover him and kill him. Okay. So who is taking the shot? Can I take a shot? Ooh, can I shoot a shot? Ooh, I got the gun. I will do it. Man, I'm gonna be a real hero after this day. Man, I'm a shy real hero. I've been saving y'all buttholes. I've been saving y'all buttholes since the day I met y'all. Bye. What do you mean bye? I ain't no bye. I'm saying the same guy. I ain't no bye. I ain't going bye. Y'all will go bye if I don't say so. But hey, because I'm a hero. Oh no, I didn't make a choice. You've been looking for you. It's over. We discovered you, the monster. Wait. Put that gun down. What are you doing? We know about the plane to kill us. We know one of you is the monster. Dang it, bro, I did not know I would have a choice. You are making a huge mistake. We are not monsters. I don't trust you. I will not shoot. I can't do this. I'm sorry. You made a right choice. I don't think I did. Everyone is under arrest for attempting to kill the president. Really? Really? We attempted... Dead end. Wow. Okay. Well, I was a bumpy ride, and I got arrested, so I'm about to go to jail. So just got off on my bill. I'm gonna see y'all later, folks. Peace out.